Good morning, guys. Yeah, I just kind of like woke up. Like I literally just rolled out of bed. I basically have my whole day planned out and I'm like, you know what? Might as well vlog it because you guys probably want to see this. Usually I would take my dogs out for a walk at this time. Like right when I wake up is usually when I walk my dogs, because walking them in the morning right when I get out of bed just kind of helps me wake up and start my day. But because I have class soon and I have a quiz this morning, I want to kind of study that, and then after class I'll walk my dog. Just have to study because I have my quiz in the morning and then my lecture and take notes and stuff, and then I'm gonna hit the gym. You guys are also gonna see what I eat. I'm gonna skip out on breakfast just because this morning I don't really have time, and when on the occasionally my parents do like to make breakfast, I'll eat that. So that's what I'm doing today, and it's just eggs, I'm pretty sure. So having eggs for breakfast, nothing special. But depending on lunch, if I am not too occupied with my lecture, I'll probably make a lunch. If not, I will have my lunch a little later, a little before my workout, and then a small dinner after my workout. I don't know. Usually that's how I kind of like work around that. So I'm gonna go and wash my face. I would show you guys my skincare routine, but I ran out of my bar. Yeah, so I will be right back. Okay, my skin is very I just washed it, so do ignore that it looks kind of gross. It does that. I've changed into my workout outfit. This is kind of my go-to recently. Like, I don't really like wearing leggings to work out. Like, I don't know, I just recently kind of sort of got back into the gym and still figuring out like my schedule and stuff, and like getting back in the groove. Like all summer I didn't work out just because of COVID, but I've gone to the point now where I'm like so over it that I just want to work out again and be in the gym. So this is what we have to work with. I'm just wearing my Nike bra and then my Aritzia TNA Atmosphere leggings, or biker shorts. Biker shorts recently have been super comfortable because they're not like shorts, but they're not like complete leggings, so I've been wearing that. And depending on how I feel, I'll wear this super cropped TNA blue long sleeve crop top thing that you guys will probably see. But yeah, and then I'm gonna wear a hat maybe, and then my beats. But we're gonna study. I'm gonna make my bed because it's disgusting. Okay guys, so I finished class and then I had to go and like drop off my brother at work, but now I'm back home. I have like 2 hours, or is it 2 hours or 3? I didn't eat lunch during my lecture, so I'm gonna make lunch. Okay, so I'm here in my kitchen. I like got out everything that I could possibly use for this fried rice. I'm not really going by like any specific recipe. I just kind of go with what I know that goes into a fried rice. So I'm only going to be using one, so I just have 2 thought out. And then I have a bunch of vegetables that I'm going to throw in there: broccoli, snap peas, carrots, maybe cauliflower, and then cilantro, European sausages, and then roasted Korean seaweed flakes. I love mixing this into my rice, so we're doing that. But yeah, you guys are gonna watch me cook that. It's really simple and basic. I'm obviously gonna add my seasoning and whatever. Oh, an egg. I like egg in there, so. Really good. I don't know, it just looks so good. I could be really hungry, but I'm just gonna have a glass of water with that and watch some YouTube.